So you have your high estrogen smoothies in here. Oh gosh. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Katia Valino. I am all pumpkined up. Anyway, welcome back. If this is your first time, please consider clicking on the red button so that you can become part of this family. And also don't forget to hit on the subscription bell so you will know when I upload a video. So today, last week I made a video about the side effects of reduction of estrogen, testosterone and progesterone. So today I will be making you guys an amazing shake that will help to rejuvenate your skin, because the loss of estrogen contributes to the dryness of your skin. I will make you an awesome smoothie that will help to smoothen out your skin and also help you to lubricate your vag down there, and also will decrease the painful intercourse. So if you are interested, please come with me. I'll be making up some amazing rich estrogen smoothie. So let's go downstairs. So guys, we're here to make the smoothies for your estrogen replacement. So the first thing we need is spinach. So I have some spinach here. If you don't have spinach in your country, please Google to see which vegetable that you have that contains a lot of iron and chlorophyll. So I am putting some spinach here. It's already washed. The next thing here is some cups of, in the cup here, in the bowl here, I have some fruits here. I'm gonna be dumping some fruits here. If you don't have fruits, these fruits in your country, please do not worry. The most important thing is the spinach. I've almond. I'm using some almond. Don't worry about writing anything down. I'll list all the ingredients in the description box, but I am not very good in measurement. So I'm putting some almond here. Again, if you don't have almond in the country of your origin, please use cashew nuts. The next thing we have here is flaxseed. I will be adding some flaxseed, just about 1 tablespoon of flaxseed in here. The next thing is avocado. You're gonna cut up the avocado and you want to take out the pit of the avocado, and then you put your avocado here. Again, this is very optional. This is pomegranate. So I will be using some pomegranate, the inside, the juice, the seed and the juice. So I'm going to squeeze it in. When you're squeezing it in, the seeds are also falling off inside here. And I'm gonna use this knife to take off the seed. After you have, I'm only going to use half because the pomegranate is the big one. Now the next thing you need is almond milk. Please do not ask me if you're going to use regular milk. Do not use regular milk. Go and look for soy milk. Please do not use the soy milk that is GMO, genetically modified. Use organic soy milk. Yes. So like I said that I'm very bad at measurement. Just put enough almond milk or soy milk in here. And you're going to bring this to blend. Okay, so let's blend it. This is what you need. Few times a week, If you're using cream down there, this is going to help to enhance the wetness of your vajayjay with the cream. And also, it's going to decrease the excessive dryness on your skin. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video and remember to subscribe. Bye.